There we go. Okay, so today's lesson is about the potter's wheel, a little bit of the history of the potter's wheel, because it wasn't always just this nice mechanical box like we have in our room. And so you're going to learn a little bit about the history of the potter's wheel, and then you're going to learn about 3 artists who use the potter's wheel in their work. And so that's what the video is that you're going to watch, is a little bit about the history of the wheel and a little bit about these 3 artists. So the potter's wheel is just one of the tools that artists have, ceramic artists have at our disposal. I apologize that people who are at home doing VLA, you will not have access to the pottery wheels, and I'm so sorry about that. It's just kind of the way it is. People who are in person, I'm hoping that at the very end of the trimester, to do a project that's like a free choice project where you can sort of do whatever you want with the clay for your final project. And so for the people who are in person, you will have the option of trying out the potter's wheel for that free choice project. So everybody's going to learn about the potter's wheel today, and then the in-person folks will get a chance to try the potter's wheel at the end of the try. So when you're watching the video today, the video I think is around 20 minutes long. I can't remember. I recorded it a couple trimesters ago, so it's not more than half an hour. I know that for sure. So you're going to watch the video. Again, I would take some light notes just so you remember the different cultures that are talked about, like who invented the potter's wheel and all that. The questions on the quiz are not like getting you to remember certain dates or things like that. It's more, the questions on the quiz were, what did you find interesting about the history of the potter's wheel, or which artist work did you really like from the video? So it's opinion questions are what the quiz is based on. But again, it wouldn't hurt to take a little bit of notes as you're watching, just so you can answer those questions real easily. So that's my setup for your assignment for today. So if you have any questions and want to stick around, feel free to do so. Otherwise, hang on one second. There is a video. The video is already posted in Schoology. It's History of the Potter's Wheel. So you're going to watch that video on YouTube, and then you're going to take the quiz. And then this has nothing to do with the potter's wheel, but I had to share this little bit of exciting news with you. I shipped out some of my pots recently to a gallery in Gainesville, Florida. The gallery is called the Charlie Cummings Gallery, and my work will be for sale online at this gallery starting at noon today. So 2 hours, and then my work will be available on that website. So I'm really excited. If you want to check out my work, yeah, thank you. If you want to check out my work, it's again the Charlie Cummings Gallery in Gainesville, Florida. And yeah, they'll start posting stuff at noon. So that's a fun little twist that I had to share with you today because I'm super excited. Also exciting, I'm having concrete poured in my backyard today, getting a patio. So all sorts of good stuff happening over here. I hope you have good stuff happening this weekend. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the nice weather. Stick around if you have questions. Otherwise, go watch your video and take your quiz and you're done. Thanks, guys. Have a really good day.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good one. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Have a good one.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.